Welcome back, everybody. So in this class you probably want to learn about the different tags, so for sure I'm gonna guide you about them. So I'm just gonna talk about different kind of the text related tags. So there is the h1 tag we just talked about, the p tag, okay, cool, and there are some more tags like that. So if you just want to add another level of heading, you can add the another tag like h2 in this way, and there we can add the other things like the second level heading, whatever you want to type. Now if you just go to the browser back and you just refresh the page, so you will get the update, the second level heading. You can see that the spelling size both have different levels of size. I'm going back and I'm just making some, I'm just adding some more tags like the h3, and inside the h3 tag I'm just typing third level heading, save it. Now go back to the browser, refresh the page, there's a third level heading. Generally people doesn't use more than fourth level of heading because that will be more smaller than the text, the paragraph text. You'll be just watching that. So fourth level heading, it's getting cooler. Going to the browser and refreshing that, you can see that this is a fourth level. And now if I just use the fifth level, that will be much smaller than expected. Okay, now you must expected this because I told you that it won't be expected. So there is a, you can see that this is not looking like a heading, but it's a heading level, by the way, we have, but we're not going to use that, and I'm not recommending you to use that in any of the project unless it's requires, because this is a very small size. So this is a sixth level heading. Saving this, going to the browser back, refreshing the page, there's a sixth level which is actually hard to read. This is the specialty of this tag, this tag, the h6. By the way, we just talked about the headings. I think you just understood this. Now we just can move on to the next step. There is the p tag, the paragraph tags. We just already talked about it. It's cool. There's a br tag, we know, and this is a hr tag. These are some basic text related tags, but there is a lot more than only texting in the HTML. But before going to the next level, I just want to talk about the other thing. I just want to talk about the basic structure of the HTML. We didn't make the basic structure yet. We were just talking about the different kind of tags. So still, while we're making the structure, we'll be following the tags because tags are the base of the HTML. But we will be moving on to the texting level of the HTML. So stay tuned and goodbye.